I think it's a very open-minded community, so discussions are very, very fruitful, very interesting, across different topics, with different people, with different backgrounds, let's say living in different bubbles, so really a fruitful exchange. I love it. I mean, everybody is talking about sovereignty at the moment, especially if you look at the geopolitical situation. And people very often have IT in mind, but I think this also refers to supply chain. So make your supply chain more resilient, have different possibilities to source or to purchase the raw materials you need for your production. So I think this is one of the biggest challenges we are facing in the future, and I think circular economy plays a very important role in this situation. First of all, we are facing labor shortage. So making something future-proof means have a system that can be programmed, commissioned, maintained by the labor force we have. So for example, here at Voraus Robotik, we are focusing on high-level programming languages, because we have much more people who can program Python than structured text, for example. So this is one important thing. The other important thing is that you merge IT, so information technology, with OT, operational technology. So operational technology is the software, the things that run on your shop floor. So software is a very important part, but somehow the operation technology is not linked to the IT, to the information technology. So all these fancy tools we have, for example, in AI, so automatic programming, simulation, somehow does not fit to the operation technology, to the production plant. So if you have, for example, different goods to recycle, you need to be able to reprogram your production plant, maybe every week or every day. That's not possible at the moment. So in order to make it future-proof, link OT and IT technology, make all these fancy tools we have in information technology available for your production site. I think that's the biggest challenge we are facing, besides labor shortage. Basically, this comes somehow back to what I just mentioned. So in order to deal with product variety, you have to make your system flexible. So for example, imagine you have new goods that are coming into your recycle plant and you need somehow adopt your facility. You need to have different robot motions, for example. So, I mean, it's software. The key to flexibility is software. So have smart cameras, have AI, which can read, for example, manual disassembly structures and then somehow derive robot programs or programs for your production plant automatically. And I think this is the key issue, because if you need to do this manually, if you need to rewrite manually your robot program, you will not become profitable. I think there's no way. So it needs to be done somehow in an automatic way. We need to have people which are open-minded, which are interested in trying out new things, because at least what we are doing at Voraus Robotics, so we are somehow replacing outdated operational technology. So in our case, it's the PLC, and we replace it by modern software. And this really is a paradigm shift. So we need people that are open-minded, who have an IT background, who are familiar with DevOps, for example, because that's something we enable for the OT, and which are willing to do a proof of concept, for example, with our technology. What do I keep in mind from the session? So basically, we are all facing similar problems, independent of the good we want to recycle, we want to disassemble. So that's one important thing. There is obviously no solution that fits for every problem. And what I learned today is the digital path of the product, which somehow we need to exploit more, which we need to link more to our automated robot programming. That's something I learned today.